A blizzard warning is in effect today for much of west central Minnesota, mainly west of Redwood Falls to St. Cloud and Long Prairie. This area will see blizzard conditions continue into this evening as northwest winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts to 55 miles per hour combine with falling snow. This will cause considerable blowing, snow and whiteout conditions, with travel becoming very difficult or impossible east of the blizzard area. Winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories are in effect where snow amounts will be less. The winter storm warning includes Morrison-Benton, Mille Lacs, and Kennebec counties. The winter weather advisory is in effect for much of south central and east central Minnesota, including the majority of the Twin Cities metro area, and Mankato. Snow will continue across western Minnesota and will be heavy at times into early afternoon before tapering off by evening. Across central and eastern Minnesota, rain and some sleet and snow by early this afternoon. Snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches are expected west of a line from Redwood Fall to St. Cloud and Lake Mille Lacs, with the heaviest amounts over Douglas, Todd, and Morrison counties. Amounts will taper off quickly to the east, with 1 to 3 inches expected in eastern parts of the advisory area, including the Twin Cities metro, Douglas, Stevens, Pope, Lacqui, Parle, Swift, Chippewa, Yellow, Madison, including the cities of Alexandria, Morris, Glenwood, Madison, Benson, Montevideo, Granite Falls. 12:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, Friday, November 18, 2016. Blizzard warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Expect blizzard conditions to continue through the afternoon, then diminish around 9 p.m. this evening. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour will cause whiteout conditions in blowing snow. Significant drifting of the snow is likely. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches are expected. Travel will be very difficult or impossible, including during the afternoon commute. Precautionary preparedness actions. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. A blizzard warning is in effect today for much of west central Minnesota, mainly west of Redwood Falls to St. Cloud and Long Prairie. This